YouTube is at it again. That's right. YouTube has once again changed the monetization policy. In the past, this has caused a lot of stress and really frustrated some people because just as they were about to reach the goal line, they would move the goal. So frustrating, but it's not quite the same situation this time around. In a move that some may deem uncharacteristic to YouTube, they've actually made it easier for you to access some of the monetization privileges. Previously, all the privileges were tied to the 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour metrics, but that has changed. All right, so prior to this change, you had basically maybe 1.5 ways to become monetized on YouTube. That was to get to the 1,000 subscribers, then you could get 4,000 watch hours on your channel, or you could get, and that was in the last 365 days, or they added 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. So for a while now, that was the way that you would reach monetization. With this new system, they take some of the features that you would typically get when you reach that threshold and move them closer to you so you can now access some of the ability to start earning money without actually getting all the way to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. This is big news for people who want to be able to start earning money on their channels, and YouTube has now made it possible for you to do so. Here's how. There are now lower thresholds for what YouTube is calling earlier access to the monetization program. This is going to allow you to gain access to powerful money-making opportunities like super chats in your live streams, super thanks on your videos, and also channel memberships. And if that's not enough ways for you to earn money through your YouTube channel, the advanced or early access to the YouTube Partner Program is actually going to let you link to your own products on your YouTube channel. There are a bunch of integrations like Shopify where you can actually sell your own products directly from your YouTube channel. This could be really big news for any of you who are selling products and use your YouTube channel as a way to market them. This is a great opportunity for you to be able to start generating some income earlier than you might otherwise have been able. Now, in order to qualify for this earlier access, you need to have at least 500 subscribers and you need to have at least 3,000 watch hours in the past year, or 3 million shorts views in the last 90 days. But it's not enough to just reach these milestones. You do actually have to apply to become part of the YouTube Partner Program. You can do this in YouTube Studio under the Earn section. And the good part is, even if you don't qualify with those numbers now, when you're in that Earn section, you can actually choose to get notified, so YouTube will actually email you when you are eligible. And the best part is, you're not only getting access to those monetization options, but you're also getting access to YouTube support. Really powerful. I can't tell you how many times people have reached out with issues and they didn't know where to go or who to ask or how to get help with their YouTube channel. Now you're going to have that support to help you get through any of those difficulties that you otherwise can't find the answers to. This is the Earn section in YouTube Studio. This is the screen you're going to come to in order to set up monetization or get notified when you qualify. So you want to be familiar with where to find this. As you can see on the left-hand side of the screen, about a little past halfway down, there is an Earn option. Click on Earn, it's going to bring you to this screen, and this is where you're going to access all of the monetization options, including ones that you haven't qualified for, but this is where you need to become familiar with the different options that'll become available to you as your YouTube channel grows and you bring in a bigger audience. So this is really big news, especially for the channels that may get a lot of traffic, but not necessarily a lot of subscribers. I know channels that focus on how-to content. Sometimes people come in, they get the information that they're looking for, and then they're out. So they don't even stick around to subscribe. But with that super thanks option, maybe you really solved a problem for them. Maybe this is a way for them to be able to thank you quickly with that super thanks once you qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. under these new earlier access qualifications. I think this is big news for the YouTube community. I hope it's helpful to you. Let me know where you are in your YouTube journey. Do you qualify under these new guidelines, or have you already been monetized? Let me know all about it in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.